Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here, and as you can see, it is a gloomy day out here. So anyway, I just came from the mailbox and we have another letter. Okay guys, we are at my desk, so we are going to go ahead and see what our mail is. I'm going to do it from I'm doing it backwards because when I get to the last one, I actually want to show you something. So, let's see. Hey Dino, since my birthday is the 15th, I know that it sucks being just after Christmas and just the bills are coming in. So you and Cheryl go out for barbecue and sweet tea or what you all like and get Eb a can of tuna on the way. Hope you don't mind. I am regifting this, and yes, it's real and will work in most locations, if not all of them. To kiss your forehead. Oh, jeez. Thanks for the vids, jracat. P.S. Still need your grill size. Alright, I will do that. I'm sorry the way I read this. I'm a little shocked, but I'm presuming jracat sent this for Cheryl's birthday. And according to what I'm reading, I best take her out. And get Eb a can of tuna. Well, man, I'm telling you what, boy, this community is something else. I'm again speechless. That's a very nice birthday gift, and we will definitely enjoy some barbecue because we like barbecue. I'm just at a loss for words, man. I really appreciate that. That is just too much. You guys are too much. I'm going to pause for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just took that into Cheryl, and she's bawling, so she's not on video. My friend, I really appreciate that. I was just a little shocked by it. I mean, I never expected it. And 3/4 to half to almost all of everything I get in this community, I don't expect. You guys are just something else. Something else. Okay, and down here at the bottom, I know I read this haphazardly, because like I said, it kind of caught me off guard. And I get the part about the birthday and being right close to the Christmas. Christmas babies were always kind of getting the shaft. But anyway, she is very pleased, and we will do as you said, and Eb will get her can of tuna and so on and so forth. And then down here it's P.S. I still need your grill size. Is that barbecue grill size? Being that we're talking about barbecue up here. Anyway, let me know in the comments of this video or drop me an email. And once again, my friend, I greatly appreciate that. It's, you know, you just don't... A letter, a card is, you know, an amazing thing and to get from anybody, and I keep every bit of this stuff. And then when you guys toss in these extras, these boxes from people, and I mean, this community is just so generous. So generous. So we'll put that there. We'll move to our next one, which is my buddy Bradley Hight out in Vegas. The Vegas Bradley. And let's see what he's got going on in here. We have, it says, Skull Brother, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May the warmth and joy of the holiday bring you happiness. And we have, alright, another little, that looks like a 2, is that a 1 gram? Another little 1 gram silver bar. I like these. I mean, I know a lot of people say that they're whatever, that, you know, it's this and that and whatever about them, but I think they're actually pretty cute. I really like them. And that's my second one this year. That's really cool. Bradley, thank you very much. A couple stickers there. And I will put links to these channels in this video. And now you guys go see Bradley. He's having a ball sand casting and pouring sand. And he's doing a really good job. I know it seems like everybody out there is pouring, but you know what? So what? So everybody pour. And we'll pour and we'll trade amongst ourselves if that's all we do. That's the fun part of it. Bradley, thanks so much for the card. Appreciate it. This one is from Hawaii, from Honolulu. So let me actually get a, let's see, we need a very, very sharp knife here because we're going to cut the end off of this one because it's taped all the way around. So let's see what we got in here. And I know who this is from. And we're doing a sticker trade. And I have to get my sticker out. I apologize. I've just been so backed up since Christmas. I mean, it's just seems like the hurrier I go, the behinder I get. So that is from Sheldon in Honolulu, Hawaii. And I will get I have to send you a magnet because I'm out of stickers right now. So, but I will get you a magnet in the mail ASAP. I've got some stuff that's got to go out tomorrow. So, we thank you very much for that. And now we're going to get on to the last one. This is my mail, actually it's from my mail from Dime Digger. When he did his last $50 hunt, where he was actually taking donations, which was December 1st. And I got a few $50 and whatever I got from him. But anyway, so it finally arrived, Dee Dee. It's here. And as you can see, USPS strikes again. So let's see what they're saying about this one. It just amazes me. Why even bother sending me an envelope that has been obviously destroyed with a note telling me that it's obviously been destroyed? Well, we do have a note, so that'll go in my note stack. Let's see what this, they don't even say anything here. Let's see what this is. Oh, I can't even go into a rant about USPS anymore. It's getting so ridiculous. Oh boy, it says, "We care." I'm not going to read this crap because they don't care. Anyway, so Dee Dee, I did finally get your package. You can obviously see that it has been destroyed. I think part of your note is gone as well. Looks like somebody took a bite out of it. We'll see if we can see what we can get out of here. Well, maybe the bite actually, look, I don't think the bite actually got any of the words. It says, "BYS, thanks for participating in my stream. I can't seem to get a good $50 box this year. Oh well, still fun searching and hanging out with you all, or with you guys. Let's see, I hope to see you on the next one, Dime Digger." So I don't think we lost. I think the actual parts that were devoured by whatever devoured that and the coins he sent me didn't actually get to the words. So Dee Dee, I got it. I just wanted to let you know that it is there, or it is here. Sheldon, thank you. Bradley Hight, thank you. jracat, thank you very, 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 very much. Like I said, Cheryl's in there bawling. I'd still just speechless about that. Thanks so much. We will absolutely go out and enjoy the evening. Guys, until the next video, I hope everybody has a great new year and a very blessed new year. And we'll see you in the next one.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.